Hey, what's up? It's Filip and welcome back to another video. Today I have for you one awesome tool that you can use to create 3D models. It's a 3D Hun Yuan Tencent.com. This is super awesome. So let's try it out right away. I will put the link in the description so you can just click this and visit this. And make sure to click here to translate to English if you don't understand the Chinese. And what do we have here? On the left side, we have this text to model. A very simple, very straightforward. Just imagine this like a ChatGPT for 3D models. You have this model. We have only this one, only one. You can choose between geometry and texture stages. I don't know what I do. I will keep this in geometry and texture, and you can choose texture style over here. And when you are ready, just type in here and click generate now. For me, more interesting is this Tencent 3D, because if you upload pictures, you can create 3D model from picture, which is super nice. I have one picture over here. My God, I didn't see my image. Okay, I was now looking for my image for like 2 minutes and it's over here. I need glasses. Okay, I have this image and it's a gun, and just upload it to the here, upload pictures, click choose gun, click open. It will upload the image, and what I did, I just hit this generate now. And what I get is, if you go on the top, you have this laboratory if you want to explore more of these 3D applications. You have some workflow. I didn't go into this into detail. And assets over here, you can see that I created this gun from the image. Now if I zoom in, you can see how it looks. It looks extremely good. You can see the textures, you can see the mesh, and it's just, you can see the normals. You can change out here to the texture, and on the right side, if you want to download it and import to Unreal Engine, just select the format. I will keep everything as it is. So we're just going, with the defaults, GLB, and hit download. And we will save this also to the desktop. If we go back, you can see that it says today's remaining generation times 20. This will refresh each day, which is super great. Let's go back to AI creation, and over here, as you can see, you have lots and lots of items, lots of 3D models that you can download, or you can just click here, create the same style, and it will create the same style. You can see how this looks, this watch. It's not good, it's not perfect, but from far away, a little bit far away, it looks just fine. So you can use these items, use these models for far away structures or far away objects that don't need the super super-detailed mesh. And now let's import it to Unreal Engine. I have two models. I already imported one, and I will show how to import another. Just drag and drop it to your Unreal Engine content folder and click import. Keep everything as it is as a default, and it says that the import is done. You can see the folder here. Go to static meshes and just drag and drop the gun here. We can position it in the middle of the world. So it's 0, 0, 0. And if I go F11, we can see our item here, our model. I think it looks fairly decent, and in a few years it will be even better. And this is created from image, looking great. And I have another item that I downloaded from the website. You can choose any item from here. For example, click this and also click download. Go to the content and just drag and drop the file and import it also to our project, and drag and drop it to our level. You can see how it looks. Not that good, but this technology will drastically improve in the future, and I can just use this image as a thumbnail for this video. Thanks guys for watching this. If you find this helpful, let me know in the comments below, and you can become a Patreon on my Patreon page. It is highly appreciated. I will be very thankful for that, and I hope I will see you in the next video.